Are you tired of dealing with frustrating Wi-Fi issues in your home or office? In this video, we'll show you some simple steps to help you fix those basic Wi-Fi problems. The first step is to restart your router by unplugging it from the power source and waiting for a few seconds before plugging it back in. Next, check the placement of your router. Make sure it's placed in a central location away from obstructions like walls and other wireless devices. If you're using an older router, consider upgrading to a newer model that offers better range and faster speeds. Another common issue is interference from nearby devices, such as cordless phones and microwaves. Make sure your router is away from these sources. Updating your router's firmware can also help resolve Wi-Fi issues, so check the manufacturer's website for any available updates. If you're having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network, try forgetting the network on your device, then reconnecting and entering the password again. Sometimes changing the wireless channel on your router can improve your Wi-Fi signal quality. Try different channels to see which one works best. If you have multiple devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, it's possible that the connection is being overloaded. To fix this, prioritize which devices should have more bandwidth access and limit the number of connected devices if necessary. If you're experiencing slow internet speeds, run a speed test to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for from your internet service provider. If your Wi-Fi signal seems weak in certain areas of your home, consider getting a Wi-Fi extender or repeater to boost the signal. If you still can't resolve your Wi-Fi issues, contacting your internet service provider for assistance is another option. Remember, these are just some basic steps to help you fix simple Wi-Fi issues, but if you're still having problems, it may be time to call in a professional.